bia the transparency and fairness den adwuma sana yewura Ghana mampanyini the tudwa no share ye bo na nya bo shekeke na mom pama one Ghana fo akọ enanwumre matnasie no na mema ye tiefo ne ahwefo nyina te say ye starting ohia TV show eba besi nne no atiti bebre ena makom eniama bebre na makom nanso yegusu gina na so say enam constitution na o mampanyini say obabo bia ho ban Ghana ni bia mananya nkwatenten ne even ahoho mo ba o man no mu no eye o mampanyini ene na pamfo asede se omobo omo ho ban no me koso agina so say atete no ha no nyina no ye ba koso ameki sure say ne yesese Ghana 40 ombete because o mampanyini ebra oye campaign so osanma obia Ghana fo nyina te se oba obama kabima menka bia yeden aye adwuma bosha o sheye no o ma Ghana fo nyina te se na nado danko akofo ado ye Idi Amin o mamamfo enka o madwene nanso ehomre na basintelenum edidi na nado danko akofo ado atem ehomre na NDC communicators attack na nado danko akofo ado 24/7 wo mutimi di na tema ma bi kan papa wawuko ebi kan wo fanom ebi kan maame ebi ka achimfo nyina because achim ni na edi president nti obi aho anka ya ntreti obi say yebeku no sa Idi Amin president pens no ye di na tema bi ka ne tribe ofirim no afanom o mawuko president ya otisu si akra no eka bi enso sema mo kan ya nyina say na nado danko akofo ado makabi maminka bi enya adwuma na nya sa natie enne dadua yi ukwa social media ba bia amanfo enipa be se 95% so ma fe na nado danko akofo ado because not in ye friend democracy ase not in ye friend kabi maminka bi ase not in ye friend say mo mamamfo enka o madwene emfa mamuo hu because na nado danko akofo ado ne be bia mu say amanfo nka ne ese say o be kan fa na mamuo hu wan fro bia o sia dia so ye bia na ya machi obia ensema polo emu apolo a o mu hwiegu ye e wo kroma wo mutim kan sem na bia mansem no ebi wura Ghana Armed Forces asojafo mowa police fo nyadan e mowa ebra NDC winning power wiye no ye nyina ye to man mu ha enkrofo aye ma o appointment ma o appear before the vetting committee no and some of mu kan ya na be national security threat men kai kura na me kai asema deputy defense minister kai say ye trainee MPP boys amoma ya sojafo akitatuo in the election no 2024 election no or call vetting committee na ye ni deputy defense minister no sansem ni nyina okokotwe san so kan ya na oni adanse ye but obia ni wa o threatening broja jamfi 2024 say sansem na okano ye nya life wa ye be eliminate you take your life ya nyebida ya mabia na ifo ankwa homachi ankobu ni punani ampeke no ya man national security for amfre no wankosi ya di aso eye obi ayi nani but emre no so ye no ono akọ vetting committee no ɔte sansɛm no nyina ɔkae because ne yɛ kɔ abato no ni dance into a can be ene nokra president Mahama so na ka bi say election ba bedura ese o pensem kan wo de bedada Ghana for nyasa wunya tumi enti eno so na omugina ya wo mu dinya tumi because o mfi say wo mu di trɔkyerɛ Ghana fo a eno na Ghana fo betie eche nokre ya ntrete obi a life ya nwuna obi a se won se na oman mu ha ya nkantre radio stations ya NDC wo okroma se ye be close radio station ya mfre ona bi anka se ye be che no enei President John Dramani Mahama na okworo ona na do danko akofo ado say oma democracy nya adwuma no wo mreko na do entiete obi fa ahodie so no ene ubo wa TikTok wa ye baba abechew ni ye detain 3 weeks ene ubo wa ewo TikTok wa ye baba abechew ni ye detain 3 weeks ene men kwankwatia the Director General National Signal Bureau say somba betrezi wo WhatsApp ni TikTok ni Facebook atrezi nkrofo akwachi wo mo nkrofo a wo mo kan sema ye threat to national security nkrofo wo mo kan sema eye ebi ye misinformation ni ababa pekeo ni ye trezi nti wo ba mean say wo ba monitor nkrofo bi nu kra akọ eye obi animu ni problem sa wo monitor obi ko enne no obi no ni problem na mo makina bi se obi so ba aban bi ba ne se obi so monitor ko wa e ma ne nye problem because me ameti ha na nwumire no enya ne me hwehwe ne se ade a enye nne no ye beda sorry 2029 no na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ye Ghana president na di abronya me ma condemn say ne President Mahama ye ne ekwana o man krofo binum enka o madwene o ka wadwene allegedly ne ye threaten o life say ye be eliminate o life ye be ma bie naifo atitewo akrahyewo allegedly ne ye threaten o na CID threaten o Saniama na allegedly ekoso na ebinun kura de ye peke omo te se TikTok ma ye ni akwakọ dideni omo ye man krofo nka o madwene no se me nei me kan wasem se enya echina ampipi ba ban mu a na so omo ye saade na men justify because wo ye sa na wo na nkasa no wo ya ye obi a wonye consistent on woniama wo ye dey because ne issues where e kwasuo yi e wo man Ghana yi ye nyina ye condemn ye chu obi a bail condition ye de be manipa no e de so ton Ghana na se ne ye condemn a e kina eni kwanse be justification yenya honest sa omuso mbe kwaso aye ne saade a etina ebe justification because ebasa na baba ye president and obi e follow because ye benya cases ye betima refer to numerous cases here asie na mom ekwana ye efa so a esi ye ene kwana efa so a endi ye no enye papa. But ye be do a man that level dia ye ni any right to say betina Ghana ha near dia one compare developed countries, you know, like UK, like Germany, like Paris, like US, Australia and co. That be we don't have that right to do that comparison. Yes, yenya honest because ye tiane say ye pese ye chichire ye man na ye ne abrofo ye pa sa bail conditions ni bi no abrofo na omo de mra United Kingdom a ho na Ghana ye fa ye mra nyina afiri no sa nkwase ye bail conditions a ye che police station ye de kwama wo no abrofo na wo mmara ene ye fa so de draft ye de no eni honom me I did UK law na ye no bail condition ya ne say ye benya bia wo busuani bia obaba be gina honom na obusuani na ba be gina ho wo won residential address ya ye hwehwe na ye behu no ene wo a ye ma obey no wo permanent place bia wo stay eno ano no ko even in criminal cases ni nyina no ye ma baila ni ehia ne say obi a obesan bail no or residential address at 24/7 ye hwehwe nipa na wo so de tina ye behu no wo ankasa na ye ma obey no ye be make sure say within sa area no even a serious criminal case ya ye de mawa yemfa sika akese ntoso ama wo nkonko dam for months any days bi ansa na watima for free bail condition no omo ye ne say wo case no ye ma bail mo wakofie na mom area na wo dia ma say ho na ye permanent place of abode no the next 5 years no tena ho akopem say ye be edi wasem ba wie etime mfa ne say so wo London and a London Crown Court ama bail in a criminal case here on betima catch us the next 5 years and 3 years you know any kwansa kwata Manchester because e basa investigators you know hwehwewa won bebre enti o mo say wo ma hu say bi asem na be take the next 2 years and now the residential address yaba babia wa provide say e ho na atia o makwa akohwe o de ma obey no justification of bail be anim justification of landed property be anim say kofa landed property worth over 50 million Ghana cedis kofa landed property bra worth over 50 million Ghana cedis kofa landed property bra worth over 10 million dabi sa bail conditions you know aye condition I would punish the accused person no UK I honor Ghana ye drive many of the laws no free you know sa bail conditions you know enkoso wo ho and me probi obe challenge me on that ye mama bail na say even a murder case na court no fee say even though a murder nanso o ma abronye bail na say met London the only condition a woman be high so harsh and they say be 3 days be report to the London police station but be a residential address now who provide yourself to London the next 3 years you know a certain London sa kopin so mbedi asa no be wie wo tena London sa na nkire se wontimi enko Manchester nkotade ubetuma kwa akoto ade o Manchester na mom condition mo mo de ma say wontimi entum free London enko nkotena Manchester ade sa otena ho sa na adi asem no be wie eno no accused person bia betima ye den adi so but ye ma bail say 1 million Ghana cedis with justification kofa we bra me say bail bi wo ha e wo abrochira e bia de ye hash pa ne say e bia justification bi e wo me say kopa obi a oye government worker e bra eno ano no call baby 50 million 20 million 100 million pounds bail condition 1 million pounds bail condition e be in UK with justification no e be in UK abontenso kofa 1 million bail ya ma bail with 1 million pounds ya grant to bail 1 million pounds with 2 sureties, one to be justified any UK ye to my mu hai UK laws and ye di ya juma 90% of the laws in this country no nyina no ye fa free UK ne buy ade na omo nyesa ebi ni ho enti se ye chichire oman no ne se ye se abrofo no ne yesu omo di omo chidi a ne omo ye ne fanye adwuma enti na memete hei ne me condemn under president Mahama administration no se etoa so sade a echina obi betima justify because abeye president and the president so amo setie no mu yusu oman no court no ene de setie eno na e dangerous no because some set bad precedent not a more you so judiciary na dia set here e dangerous because echena ne yati obi and this kofie ne yati omo mrantie e bia ya yi ma omo siwo sudi no because ye koduru ya ye say ya grant to bail 50 million Ghana cedis with 2 sureties justification landed property Kofabra ni justify and sana ya mau bail. Ni koya na ye buy. And no, NDC you cannot voice out so ya NDC near because the same court no enura no ebisi ye. Enti ya court wa. Adia ye friend no say aban bi ba na say oyuso judiciary no nkrofo no binum. Judiciary no ye feel say ye betima identify some few people be near the achieve near the intimidated political opponent here dangerous, and that is why some judges in the so are so mindful say decision be they don't want to, or instructions be they don't want to comply because a decision today a China a baba reference point in another case, in a near future case. And on mine say on mine be ever say duru babi no. No kra free on mine on mine say kwa me in my candid opinion. Babi o mutimi trentene no edi no kra yi adwuma e mo mine no samba. No is the judiciary, and you cannot run away from that. And you impose that respect, as see the judiciary, But whereby you better see identify within the judiciary. Now you can say within the judiciary, you court you will get what we want. You court to be here, we will get what we want. And what? And a bad president. Yabaseti. Now, some president, so a reference point in the near future. And Ebasana, you have no right to say, a political persecution now, witch hunting. So you before the Tiasia may hunting. Because near question day 2029, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the question is say, and this betima ka say a political witch hunting na untiminka because ye benya president e dia refer e kina ye di minister bi be kokod ye di CEO bi be kokot ye di CEO bi kokot yoko e baba be ye reference point say na no president no eno na ye di ye adwuma obi aba bisa no bia say na no de ne ye to aso because governance no and so and Yamamu Mubabu, yeah. Bail conditions are more the man crofono, a bind be bar, or Bacase Yenefe, and Timinso me to us war, and Bassa so be a miano. You cannot complain, but me complaining, nay, and ya, a child very difficult. So, my idea, then a china met my justify. So, my not almost still political intimidation. One by issue unnecessary threat. One by harassing Crawford. One by detaining Crawford. Sauma bio manwa kasa. E kwaso sadia. E china adia me pasa me de justification no. E china me justify. E basa e moa o mine no. me kan kwa ko wie se me a memete yi allegedly program is starting ye a man for threatening my life and these alleged individuals within the government yeba allegedly one year careful yeba eliminate your life. And tonight me President Mahama our year commander in charge of the Ghana Armed Forces, commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the chairman of the National Security Council, say the alleged threat and elimination on my life, officially I will put it in a paper. I will put it on a paper officially. Namadi Akwakwa man say, I President John Dramani Mahama ni duty to protect me, my brother, my life. Because there is a alleged threat on my life. Because of this program. And Onona said here, as a chairman of the National Security Council, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces to protect life and property. And Nyameya Adoma, Monday, Matre President Mahama officially say allegedly people are threatening my life. People feel say program no, I had buying. And of course, within so FO binum until I president and I said yet my trying say and I said yes say the alleged threat on my life. I am a fan say yeah, alleged. A binum cry a prophecy. O fanning in Sima. I am opposition, a senior opposition party member. And sir, alleged threat on my life, should not be taken for granted. Mini Bambo Bia Friba Bia, apart from President Mahama, Osa yes, be protecting Ghana for Biano. Most of the threat on my life, most of them, within the government. And of course, say Canada, Japan, some crop for threatening my life. But most of them every abaimu neighbor. I allege. But a president duty to protect my life. I had the president duty to make sure say Onya TV be Onya TV na enwini nyina e won su ase atimati ensem ekoso na mamuo papa ekoso ni ebeshi bia no ne eba bebo hu dawuro. Dissemination of information enyama oman bia eti ne ekoso wona ban mu no na me bo dawuro aboa no nti ye president na said ye so be protect me. Because or your opposition leader no and niema ninkrofo ni radio station omo ye aligned to the government ne kan ye no yan threaten obi alive yan plan say allegedly ye kwakwa eliminate obi life dabi enti sama mo papa na ye man kwan ma ninkrofo timi wo mo views no governance in continuity a continuous process until wabano sa continuous process in necessary for na sa na okatire Ghana for until ni omo 13 bia na mafa ne say ye allege no I will not take it for granted. Nti as I say, President Mahama me try no officially. Na me ka say as a host of Ohia TV, me nkwa ne me bibia hye ne nsa ne me family, me nkwa ba nyina no, me nkwa hye ne nsa. Me hye ne nsa me nkwa ba bibia me life. As a host of Ohia TV no, Niematia eye alleged no, me nkwa ne me bibia hye ne nsa because he is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and the chairman of the National Security Council. And also now I say, obe protecting life and property. And the president, protect me. Protect me. Makane sarie no. Na ye koye nim. Esamni ye tietia. Ye se betting is 4 stars. Ba. Producer, yanko break 1 minute mra. Yanko 1 minute break mra. Yanko break 1 minute mra. Ghana for mun sorry o. Ghana for mun sorry o. Aye munti eno hia TV aba.
Now the whole full of swag. See be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say. Na ka wan say be yo say. Ni na. Bam. Now we get you. Ujidie nam sa jidie no papa ebeshumu aba ene yenyina ahu so ujidie wonyakopo mu now the whole full of swag see be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say yenyina pam now ujidie no ujidie nam sa jidie no papa ebeshumu aba ene yenyina ahu so ujidie wonyakopo mu now the whole full of swag see be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say yenyina pam now ujidie no ujidie nam sa jidie no papa ebeshumu aba ene yenyina ahu so ujidie wonyakopo mu now the whole full of swag see be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say yenyina pam now ujidie no ujidie nam sa jidie no papa ebeshumu aba ene yenyina ahu so ujidie wonyakopo mu now the whole full of swag see be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say yenyina pam now ujidie no ujidie nam sa jidie no papa ebeshumu aba ene yenyina ahu so ujidie wonyakopo mu now the whole full of swag see be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say yenyina pam now ujidie no ujidie nam sa jidie no papa ebeshumu aba ene yenyina ahu so ujidie wonyakopo mu now the whole full of swag see be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say yenyina pam now ujidie no
hello mese me dia de bia ma wahu Aba BMD ba the evidence show Ohia TV so ye call ma nra yamhwa the governor of the Bank of Ghana eba be ye press conference na press conference na oye no na o safa ho wa tisa kroma ebe fa nkokoma no na o safa ho oyi akeche won kokko masoro ade ba sem na aba governor ba be ka kire Ghana fo nyina say eniema papa omudi agu na kwam 9 months we no na ma o ma achieve single digit inflation 9%. Governor Sam ne sa press conference ne de ye basra wa se wadawroma o ba be ye press conference bi sa esese o pe ayi KG1 classroom na ukwa enkura no gu wo bebre ukwa no watotofin as a governor ukwa no akocha ama enkura no wo mo boje usuwia enkura no boje usuwia no wakeka sa ansem na yede akire o because of tofin ntino omo no bagi adi na ya yete kroma ide emetena ha emfa microphone sisi wanim emeka ntre ye Ghana for say eye 9 months yi eniema omudi na gu akwa mu ena ama oman no achieve single digit inflation na single digit inflation ye nya bi ye 2021 entino ya moma baso say President Mahama de 9 months ayi adwuma ama oman no achieve single digit inflation enti wo ba ye press conference eniema measures ya mudi gu na kwamo na sa measures ne so no megiri yesa sa ukọ KG1 classroom ho a na sa de tofene mo mudi wi a wo di santro na kire no wo benya nkura ne bi o mba bisa se fine edien na mo ye ya ema sing ayi yetima chivu single digit inflation a wo de safa ho no omba bisa no mo bisa asa de nora no ye catch ye bisa mo say 9 months no foundation bayan kasa na mo dia to forma atimama ya achieve single digit na eno no mo di sie all because foundation say nam so single digit inflation aba no say wo kwa akobo so a eye MPP achievement enti wuntimi mo so enti nora no wo kan ne wura oh President Mahama ene wunu team eniema amoyeye ena ama inflation akwose digit inflation owura eba finances ya ene sa niema na eba economic issues ayate wunim eteme but so hu say yenso ye finance ne bi into you work cancel ne bia ye be bisa questions me ye petroleum economics and finance me ye our masters into finance niema no bia obekeka no ye be bisa questions ne say wo foundation be na ule ya ye dey achieve single digit inflation no enra wo dwane free ho but let me tell you say who did try am I you feel ho na say you free no so am I you feel ho no eno na be expose you. Number 1 August this year somewhere 20th with deputy echo London e brawo and osuma no man call London aman panfo nyina ahia the global economy for no nyina ahia ya omo kire adwen global perspective ya kire oman bia ekwanya oman no economy no esi grow the global leaders ahia and Dr. Johnson Asiama who delegate who deputy emane ko represent you London Queen Elizabeth anim and our deputy no ko gina say eniema ne success ya amanonefo ne wiase hu wo Ghana no yemfa seda ema MPP aban yemfa seda ema His Excellency the Vice President san say eniema mienu ena omodi abase say ya ama Ghana economy no anya hoden ne edi kan aye ne ye frɛ no domestic gold purchase program DGPP anya me na me kan ye aye u deputy ana ko gina land na bonten so ana odi to dwa say obo wiase nyina mpanyfo amane say okasa o August enti o se abosome nwotwe no success ya NDC aban hu ni nyina no aye policy mienu a previous government ni introduce ye eno na aye the resource na chese MPP dua aburo no afi na mumu ba bebu aburo no we asema wo deputy ene kokan say MPP na dua aburo no enti nesa aburo na bo akese a eye MPP na dua ye ne do ase ana mo harvest you are deputy ene kokan a month ago na niama mienu ene odi gina so e de bo previous government na baso asa niama mienu no so no the former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene introduce ye. Number 1 the domestic gold purchase program. Oman bia oman na nkasa etimi gina ne nan so domestically eto gold no ne edi kan e ma won international reserves ye den ekosoro na ba me sen ne yenya independence 1957 na oman a Africa nyina Ghana na gold ni elidie ansa na South Africa and na South Africa sign Ghana ho in terms of gold production. Enti 1957 ebesi 2017 no na oman gold nyina aye 8 tons MPP etimi 8 years amuvu ye at the yako 30.8 tons. Not just say said your deputy kokan or London no program na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e wo koforidua me say I was there. Bawumia ma speech na o introduce you say and she say ya on the Bank of Ghana ye ne say economy ne be strong wa as I say ne ye did ye friend domestic gold purchase program ba na no be shutu international reserves no na economy ne so aye strong na say yetimi to gold na near the gold no so akọ to oil in series empty you are deputy in a month ago ejina land and bontin so and listed 2 programs ama Ghana economy no aduru sam pempenso and now ba be kasa wo say ye momodem bo statement out the ma deputy at the call landing e ko ready tira abrofo no e different from near one kasa to ready atira Ghana for na che say why President Muhammad ani bi okwa international community ho a o se COVID-19 de aha o man Ghana pa na mom oba Ghana ha de a o se sabe ye nkora nti COVID-19 anhaye nti mo bia amoso na mo gina abrofo mu di a o se abrofo hu hia tenye nti obeka nokore se COVID-19 ha o man Ghana na mo ba baduru Ghana ha o se ye abibifo nti abibifo de ye ni trontere omo na waka kire se COVID-19 anhaye ebi na nora governor of the Bank of Ghana exhibit here now saying digit inflation one sem now with the balls for him no I can tell you for a fact say one lay foundation biana modi achieve here and I will expose the governor of the Bank of Ghana this evening say April 2024 and nintina me say higher the evidence show yen kan sem ne trasa anyere enko higher the evidence show enti ye kan near the evidence na yeden aba April 2024 the IMF predicted say Ghana be achieve 8% single digit inflation by the end of 2025 And by the end of 2025, we are going to achieve 8% single-digit inflation. At the end of the IMF say, measures here abino nanado baumia abandia guna kwamuno. Ebema 2025, Ghana be achieve by the end of 2025, Ghana be achieve 8% single-digit inflation. IMF and account April 2024. And then Mutikroma si wasa for him say more foundation be na mu lay ya mo de gisa for him no mo de gisa fancy no report no na da ho no o say IMF project single-digit inflation for Ghana in 2025 and you kind story now. Story ne can pay face by the end of 2025 now Oman Ghana achieve 8% digit inflation ebra yenya bie 9.97% aye 2021 now this time you be achieve by the end of 2025 ni you achieve single digit inflation omoka 8% kura enra mo ba be kasai mo se mo niama ba IMF predict 18th April 2024 say 8% digit inflation ebebam or say the International Monetary Fund has forecasted a single digit inflation rate of 8% for Ghana by the end of 2025, aligning with the government target for the same period. Muntio na MPP aban April 2024 na MPP aban ye budget munu ni ye state ni wom say eniama ye di aguna kwa mu any economic policies by 2025 na ye nya 8% digit inflation. And IMF so be predict say and she say ya MPP diaguna kwamuno 8% digit inflation by the end of 2025 woman sabeka and nora ya da sorry ya and this ya force governor so may press conference your moi IMF na ye desire expose we nyina ba na abaya threat on our life. No more threatening, but I cannot hide the truth. Mean to me hide it. And President Mahama, it's your duty to protect me. Yet to me hide it. And it's like threatening now. It's the president's duty to protect me. And America, where your IMF. And Timomisa governor so konya free na brofo no kra de IMF ye ya de kra kwa o say then misa na repeat brofo na de kwa the International Monetary Fund has forecasted a single digit inflation rate of 8% for Ghana by the end of 2025, aligning with the government target for the same period. Neka say any MPP aban nanado baumia government nsiseye ni nyina no edi super pepe say MPP say ombenya 8% digit inflation by the end of 2025 and IMF's buy so no kra mubenya because it said the mosi asese niam no monsabeka e nanado baumia ensa no adwuma enti afi ago enti hono that issue has been settled. And if any propaganda be as someone amodiabano, you're shooting it down. Yeah. Eti ya kwa ya nimsoni ya da sore ya campaign omode man mabunu. Campaign message ba kwa omode da Ghana mabunu said the President Mahama ka say campaign there and truck kakra na da kakra karbude kakra 419 kakra ne yekoye nim no Yeah, that's what a sports minister so sports levy. Ba. Na ye bisa question na nwumre. Se oyi betting tax every honum. Sports. Sports. Oyi betting tax free wa fast sports ho. Na ta ko fast sports levy ba. Abani match the difference. Omo match the difference e wo. Say betting levy. 1%. Na say NDC war opposition. Omo wo problem wo ho dia. Sports levy na mo de beba. Say 15% no. Eno de mabunu ni problem wo ho. Enti Ghana mabunu. Ye bisa mo say one tua betting tax. Na say o tua sports levy dia. And so ya woman na. And na question amede ma Ghanaian used to say they should define the Ghana mabru question amede mamu no. Ghanaian youth mun define the difference between betting levy and sports levy. Mass I 50/50. I 50 mass. Define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Now person unya mass ni ya. Sports levy no aye NDC dia and a betting levy no aye MPP dia. Enti asa otimi kire mu ye. Define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Ghana mabunu mun define no comment section no so na munye mo mass. Na we ya so deceptive say mo de mo betima deceive obia ana mo deceive nkrofo ko mo deceive nkrofo kwa ayamo masema na men ha me ho me de question ne say Ghana mabuno mo hwe me na nwumre nu they should define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Now one conclude say every levy be levy there mass ne so no unya 50/50 no. O person unya 50/50 na conclusion no fasem say every levy be levy. All die be die. Until every levy be levy. Define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Abana yi betting levy a free ho or the sports levy bro. Abana yi betting levy levy a free ho or the dumso levy. Aba eno no de water petrol 3 gallons so utia more than the now tua levy. Abana se wa yi levy a free ho one month VAT act no e de bia ye den aka ho. These are the issues and net taxes. Special import levy ya amende adwoso no e de kwasoro omu de bia ye den aka ho e ya omasema. Ni nyina nse eno the question this evening say eno na Ghana mabunu mo pa na. Now we are or the sports levy ba or the dumso levy ba wato electricity mu wato everything mu no ababa catch us say inflation abafam no wabisa ho say inflation abafam no ene ye electricity yi ayetua electricity bill ayetua no ene na match ana inflation abafam no ye kwadwama ye de tom ne ye niam tom te say inflation bafama na kyerɛ sɛ inflation bafama nkrofo nya sika kodwam ekodidwa yɛtɔ niema inflation bafam aban ne tua contractors ka road contractors tuturo say oman Ghana ha road contractors are suffering road contractors are suffering road contractors are suffering at den Ghana ha road contractors and se finance minister betua road contractor car and this authority note at the free Jubilee House straight say yama finance minister authority note wa ontimi ntua contractor bia car nisika 20 million Ghana cedis eko and this was your authority note at the free president allegedly sana ekoso and now finance minister ebetia road contractor binase nisika no 20 million Ghana cedis going and this was direct authority note from the president allegedly sana ekoso and sana yetua contractor nka yentua contractors ka yentua suppliers ka enra chase fo koye conference asemo word omu yusu ye ne say nientia chase ntimi participate ebra na education minister te hobie this year sansem mass competition ne say secondary schools ni nyina no they are suffocating. Hey, suffocating pa. We are suffocating. They are suffocating financially. Yate. And so I say papa ba. Mutia mumo munsamo because nsamo mo kan ye ne se do mu sinima mamu no ya hand over the amomo nti abampapa ba mumu man ye no obi ani asem nti wo fa sa niama we ne taxes ye kwaso na no wo say things fall apart niama nkoyi ye no na ya de baba wie se da me indicate ye se na ebe ye ne brief ne yatima kono o mampanyina sia Chief Justice the Auditor General and crowd the Attorney General no ma ye say how on be fast track prosecution in the your friend saying infractions be a Auditor General report. Yes, it's good to set up prosecutions in a baba koso. Most of the infractions now koso ni nyina no are public servants. And to say report to be as a president here. Now over the years, ye two my muhai, ye see politicians in a yakrom for the year. Not a public servant way, tam biano, a bank sign, a bank be a baba office biano. Womo wan sema, womo catch the new government in Crawford. And where I say, information be cry and ye no creno, because of say ya to a bar, and ya to a bar tiawa who coffee no. Public servant we no and now some person the incoming government no mo ye free e ye aduma no mo kwaso tena ho didie ntino information bi o mo de be ma efa officials o mo kofie no most of them ni nyina no enye information a eye nokore but because of some person o mo tena ho na o mo niama o mo ye no o mo kuso tena ho ye ntino wa wo kofie no and some o mbeka afa pontisi ho and someone be kan afa nkrofo bi ho no public servants for no me say someone be kan fa the outgoing government for no ho no because womo pese womo align with the incoming government and to wa wo no matena ho yes ya na the days bi no yes o tumi asa and to incoming government nkrofo no ni ya pe communicator we number ni ya frɛ no oh ni passport wa say no ye no mu ye say no mu di we fa ha no mu ye say most of them yes are to cover up their deeds or mo ankasa ye as a public servant men ka say public servants for nyina na ye corrupt but o mo ye corrupt wa tam bia no they want to cover up things and their banks sign woman with different information I never ma incoming government no because some fi say wa wo kono mu no woman wa wie enti yanko alane with their ban na oba no yan frefre communicators oh ye information fa we hu oh yati ora ya e beto ho sisi ai no Okudjeto Abrakwa Daniel Dominevo ane omo keka ho no some public servants and the information no kwama Okudjeto Abrakwa ne ni committee no every information bi Okudjeto Abrakwa wo no some public servant na de kwama omo ye ni problem enei auditor general report ba na eba no do ha yes charge ministry no ebia chief director ebia director of finance ebia technical officer bi enti me nya dade read auditor general report no minim die wom na se president ti committee afre chief justice afre auditor general afre attorney general say infractions bi ewa ayinum ehu ba hia say be prosecution minim say some public servant ebe womo kra na be more affected, some of them and be more affected, and yenim nkrofo a moye public servant fo a modi information come out ora fo no some nkrofo no yenya start prosecution no efa auditor general report ho dia ese mu hu say yenyi mu mfirimu na ye say sabatam say auditor general report about auditor general report about prosecution ekwaso no ewo auditor general report mu no ebi wo ha enuru 1% enuru but over kan report no enkrofo aye say charge o dodo no nyina no 90% to 95% aye public servant fo binum a wo manya position na wo mon kura e show masie e bi kura makatua nye e wo sa agency ho wo be ko agency bi no na staff we wo ho no makatua nye wo be ko agency bi no na a whole of a year na obi allowance kura ye mfama no ento wo be read auditor general report no na bia three technical nkrofo miensa bia omo wo ho no akonjumu agency ni sika nyina na staff no ti ho wo mabra bonko yie wo mo ho kire omo etimedie sa meeting na President Mahama ani chief justice asia ani attorney general asia ani auditor general asia na infractions ni niam bia enko yie no our auditor general report mu no ye ba be prosecute me I am for it because we be agency bi no adwumayefo no binum pa ya recruit omo a wo na yi adwuma no ema agency na brabo koyie no ne asese omunya allowance bi wo ha asese de ma adwumayefo na bia director of finance bi no watena so no wadi oba kwa ba bi na chief director bi awo agency bi adwumayefo no sika asese de ma no watena so no wadi report baba no yes agency way wo ma lose 100 million Ghana cedis yes agency way ye koto way actual adwuma fo no na ye adwuma this scanaba but they are suffering na enipa mienu e wo agency wo mo nko na edidie me this fast track prosecution e wo auditor general report mu no me I am for it because ebema this time no public servant fo no binuma woman feel say abansi san one better make cancel in your pay aqua ditro to align with the new government necessary woman information ma ora for near the adeno because one person omotena babi omoteno obi anko face prosecution bi because all kind auditor general report na didn't say normally ministers didn't mam normally DC for didn't mam but mo director of finance chief director hwane na mo nkra na bufa so no e ho na asem ni firi ntime de I am for it yemfa akonya we na yenka se ene dadua yi na nka ye se judiciary no yesu in some high court judges o hwe letter list e ba bontia na the animal farm judge kura ka ho bie na sen na yesu omuyin animal farm judge de me call remand no na ne din ka ho bi list na so far mahu no allegedly mahu no na ne din ka ho bi na letter from the judicial secretary amaking kind say due to unforeseen circumstances binti oma postpone dwumadie no indefinitely need date. I hope say emaye financial constraint ntina omo postpone ye. I don't want to believe says our postponement due to financial constraint. Because judiciary generated revenue revenue no kwa buying what direct. And I don't want to believe we say postponement swearing of the judges be a financial constraint. Now say a financial constraint not a swearing in sika dia ne ye bisa se judges o me da twa o kase for o adwuma na esu o nyina anya hwe abanim fa o MPP there we are not opposing any judge bia wo mo so ne yin as a high court judge, as a court of appeal or supreme court judge. Vacancy na abeto ho ne yese kokofere enyamra edikania andisi afa nkrofo adwuma ye ntwe omoka namom ya fam ne se ya ntwe amoka as a judge ya samre mpo na fearing in aban ne niska no ntiminim se onye sika mamo namom MPP aban ba judges yake ye besua mu ina you see financial constraint of which I don't want to believe and I don't want to interpret their letter to be so. Because Article 127 of the Constitution, Sikabia, say a dema judiciary, no, and you can't say buying every because Constitution can pray. And the actually say, Sabain ni sika krana, BBPF for judiciary, hono, as Sabain kope sika, no de baye. And now, Madam say about 40 or 39 judges. Wamo families eba bedru Accra enora ebinum ba bedru Monday no ya pay hotel ma omo deda because oma this year ya besua omo yin enora nwumre oma nya communicate say enasua no yin no antima maso enti judges ya ebi free Eastern region wa basi na busuafo ebi free Western region ebi free Bono East ebi free Asante region ebi free Central wo mu nyina de oma busuafo aba enra omo tete nkran omo boabo omo ne akodubiri ha so a anwumra no communicate baya anya yi unforeseen circumstances and I make say me mpese ma interpreti unforeseen circumstances no enkonkwo yese a financial constraint be because Article 127 of the 1992 Constitution no as say who say sika bia sese ko judiciary sese de ko sika bia sese ko judge ho sese ko na yemvari ye nitumi sa enti sisi ampo na ban ni sika se ode ba ya suare yinyi ane haban sika ode ba tu omo ka mantri e ba din na mom munya gidie judge se ya enra ya postpone mo suare yinyi munya gidie se ya sua mu yinwie na saban na ntua mo kakra na ampipi aban ba ye betua mo ka because me yaje di say a financial constraint enti na o mantimi ansua mu in ne no enti brofo kasa unforeseen circumstances there na kwakoye sa to renchama judiciary no mo to rencham na sie because judiciary try letter. No, when you use the word unforeseen circumstances, they can say a big disaster. And I see judiciary more munisika. And to me, I am pleading. Say President Mahama, Sikabia saw the man judiciary no operative fully no. On Famamo, I am on my knee begging the president to say agency bia ni sika to operate ya. Judiciary, they almost come from operating because judiciary no. Antima operating powerfully a security threat. Anti Babia President Mahama will be ano. Sa postponement we na buy na mo say unforeseen circumstances no. Me dem nim say financial constraint here mo postpone ye. Anti Misrao. Say agencies no ministries dodo no nyina mo ma o musika. Ministers no o mo staff o mo ho because omo movement no enye easy ma. Now that of the judiciary, dear Mr. President. My judiciary no operate fully. My judges and allowances in court. No muntimi operate fully. Yempa confirm asembia o kroma biem. No muntimi nya adwuma. Na cases